Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are making a crochet baby shoes. To make crochet baby shoes, start with a soft yarn blanket, your desired color. Begin with a slip knot, then chain stitches for the sole's length. Single crochet across the chain, adding stitches to round the top. Keep count for an even shape. For the sides, crochet rows upward, shaping the shoe. Add stitches at the toe and decreases at the sides to maintain symmetry. Continue until reaching the desired height. To shape the opening, skip stitches for a gap. Work around ensuring it fits snugly on a baby's foot. For straps, crochet separate pieces and attach to the sides. Finish the edges neatly with simple crochet or a decorative border. Weave in loose ends using a yarn decorative border. Make a second shoe to complete the pair. Experiment with different colors or yarn textures for a personalized touch. Follow a simple pattern to guide you through each step. Practice basic stitches. Perfect for beginners. Practice basic stitches like single crochet, double crochet and slip stitches. For the sides, crochet rows upward, shaping the shoe, and stitches at the toe and decrease at the sides to maintain symmetry. Continue until reaching the desired height. If unsure, watch online tutorials for visual guidance. Thank you so much for watching this video.